Let's make a classic Mexican-style shrimp cocktail. Start by peeling, de-seeding, and chopping some cucumbers. Finely dice an onion and a couple of serrano chilies. It should be as spicy as you like it. Then chop and de-seed some fresh tomatoes. And don't forget a good handful of fresh cilantro, finely chopped. Squeeze plenty of lime juice, and into that juice mix in crushed garlic, salt, and black pepper. And now this is the secret ingredient that sets it apart. Salsa bruja. It's a dark spiced vinegar made with chilies, herbs, and aromatics. Add your cocktail shrimp. And pour in tomato juice with clam broth. You can find it as clamato. Add a squirt of ketchup, enough to get that thick consistency. Mix it up and add a splash of Maggi seasoning and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. And finally, this part's optional but very common in Mexico. Add a little bit of orange soda. Serve it chilled with saltines, hot sauce, and avocado. Enjoy!